Good morning, dear student. In this class, we will discuss about last part of their PM and repertory, that is prognosis. Prognosis is led by investigation. You have done investigation, you have done diagnosis, provisional, differential, final, management, and along with that you will say prognosis. What is meaning of prognosis? What is meaning of prognosis? What is the significance of prognosis? Why we are focusing so much on prognosis? Why it is essential? My dear students, every person have very rarely you will find that person does not want to live a life. Every person want to live a healthy life, a happy life. So even patients who are coming to you, they are also coming only because they have some hope in life, or even they are saying that I does not have any hope in life, but they want to be cured, they want to be healthy. Their mind, their internal desire is to live, desire to live or live a healthy, productive life. Everyone has a desire to live a healthy and productive life. It's our internal vital, it's part of internal vital principle. You will see Hanuman's writing, you will find this type of words, that if our body will be healthy, then we can live for healthy, productive life. We will be able to lead a healthy, productive life only if we are healthy. But how healthy? It means not only physical. Health is not only physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. So all component of health should be considered. Now, my dear students, prognosis, it means future of this. Future, or you can say possible future or consequence of disease. So, all the patients who are coming to you, they want to live a healthy life. And if you are diagnosis their case, then they want to know that, doctor, is this disease is curable? How much chances are that I will become a normal, I can live a normal life which I was leading earlier? How are, for example, like a case of migraine came to you, or sinusitis came to you, your renal stone came to you, then they will ask you that, Dr. Sahab, what is this? I came, you advise ultrasound, and after ultrasound, along with clinical ultrasound, you find that it is a renal stone, and then patient will ask that, okay, Dr. Sahab, is this case is curable or not? Is this case, my renal stone will be okay by your medicine, or I have to go for surgery? So, for example, a renal stone. Okay, renal stone are of many types. So renal stone prognosis depend upon size. What is the size of renal stone? My dear students, these are kidney and these are ureter. These are and these ducts. Blood. So if stone is stuck if a stone is in this path, it is very easy to remove. I told about size. So size से पहले हमें देखना है. We have to discuss about first this location. So what is its location? If its location is here, then prognosis is very good. It will be easy. Can come out. If its location is here, because against it have to go against the gravity. So you have to think that its prognosis varies from same case renal stone, but its prognosis vary. That its prognosis will be different. This prognosis will be different. So case is same. You have done everything same, but prognosis varies. So what is significance of prognosis? You can understand that patient want to be cured. Now what you will suggest, that what are possibility of cure? Now you will try to break down by laser therapy or whatever method, and then you will prescribe medicine, and then you will see. Also location के बाद आता है size. So size. My dear students, see, if it is its diameter, if stone size is larger than this passes, it will be, how it will be able to pass through this path? No. So even if it is located here where it was easy to pass, ठीक है, still it will feel difficulty while passing through this because of its size. So size also vary. Even this is also area where its size is larger than this passes, it will start bleeding. It will start acute pain, and the patient will complain of pain. Then you know this case is okay, everything, this case can be cured, but it is difficult to manage. It is difficult to manage. So location or position, after that size. लोकेशन के बाद लोकेशन पोजीशन रह गया. पोजीशन, लोकेशन इट मीन वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड, एंड पोजीशन इट मीन in which position it is. Suppose its size is this much, it is situated here this much, but while I will discuss in this, if it is in this size, it is larger than this, it will be difficult to pass. But anyhow, when it is coming to here, it is giving in this way. It is very easy to pass out. So position also vary and your prognosis vary. Now it came out position. So prognosis vary as per the other as per the minor factor or with some as per the symptom, as per the location. I will just explain one case: size, location, position. These are varying their prognosis of a case. And whenever a patient came to you, they want to know that, doctor sir, how much chances are that I will be cured, or I will be cured, then up to how much extent, but what will be my maximum possible normal condition? Can I be exactly similar before the disease, or up to what extent I will be getting benefit by your treatment? So, my dear students, you understood that prognosis is a very important factor. One more example I will like to give you, that hepatitis. Hepatitis, it means you will find that A, B, C, D, E. All are cases of hepatitis. All are cases of hepatitis. But depending upon type of hepatitis, depending upon causative virus of hepatitis, every hepatitis have different prognosis. Good, bad, good, good, good. Now you understood that hepatitis certain good, 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 good. Only one is bad. But my dear student, if hepatitis E is A case is pregnant woman, then it becomes legal. It means prognosis is bad. So now you understood that a prognosis is good, okay, but if some other modifying factor are affecting it, if it is becoming a complex disease, if many different symptoms are associated with it, then prognosis becomes difficult. Only a case of, just like earlier we have discussed, a case of diabetes. So only a case of diabetes, okay. Diabetes with hypertension, more difficult. Diabetes with sinusitis, more difficult. Diabetes with hypertension, sinusitis, and some GI problem. So as more and more complexity comes, prognosis becomes poor and poor and poor. In this example, you have seen that prognosis is very good of other than hepatitis B, but in case of pregnant women, very dangerous, very poor prognosis. So prognosis, how prognosis is determined? By medical record. Medical record, it means what previously happened with this type of patient. So prognosis is a very